Chocolate chip cookies are one of the most popular kinds of cookies, yet as the story goes, they were made by accident. It's thought that they were invented when a woman named Ruth Wakefield, who was baking at the Toll House Inn in Massachusetts, used all of her baker's chocolate for her chocolate cookies. But she had more customers waiting for their cookies, so she used a bar of semi-sweet chocolate, breaking it into pieces as she mixed them in. But now, this story might be untrue. The baker is still the same, but the story is different. According to The New Yorker, in Carolyn Wyman's book, Great American Chocolate Chip Cookie Book, it's possible that Wakefield did not invent them by accident, but actually was already experimenting with chocolate chip cookies and intended to create a new recipe. Whichever story you choose to believe, you can enjoy her cookies on National Chocolate Chip Day in a month, or on any day, really. Do you guys have a favorite type of cookie? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Bye!